Hello everybody. Today we'll talk about advanced IoT networks. In the previous slide we talked about smart home. We were connected a lot of IoT smart home devices, and with a gateway we connect all the IoT server in the LAN, local area networks. But now we need to make wide connectivity as a realistic scenario, as very complex scenario, and you'll learn a lot of things: WAN, LAN, routing, switching, DNS server, wireless with security, and at the end IoT server. Let's start do some connectivity. First of all, I need to make 3 blocks. Okay, first block I make it as, let's take this color. Okay, make it as LAN connectivity. Okay, then I need to select other connectivity with different color. Other block will be as let's say put it here, smart home with cellular tower, where we have 4G 5G wireless connectivity to smart homes, smart devices like IP phone, smartphones, Android phones, you name it. Okay, then we need to make the last block, which is make it more wide. Okay, ISP. Okay, now let me make the names of those blocks. This will be LAN local area networks. We have smart home for IoT services. Okay, this block I will name it ISP, internet, where I can give internet to most of the blocks. After that, I have here 4G, 5G, wireless connectivity. Okay, so let's start do the population of devices for most of them. Okay, so let's maximize a little bit to see the block. So we start with 4G 5G wireless. First of all, we need to go to cell tower. Okay, cell tower will give connectivity to our smart home. Okay, plus we need to have CO, central office here. Okay, central office and the tower. Then we have smart home. A smart home, let's select devices, the smartphone. Okay, this is one scenario for IoT, where I need from the smart home anywhere, whatever I have internet connectivity, I can connect through the cell tower. Maybe you have different cell tower in different areas in the cities, or maybe in another city or as well. Okay, or country. Then connect to central office in that country. Okay, after that connect to internet to any ISP around of you. We are talking same country. Okay, we have one ISP in our country, and we'll now establish or make infrastructure for that ISP. Okay, this is complex scenario for IoT, and because I need from you to get benefit how to configure the WAN, wide area networks, how to configure LAN area networks, and how to configure for each blocks their connectivity, wireless with security, Ethernet cable, switching, routing, as we see now. Okay, to make it easy for you, I make it 3 blocks, and I need to populate each block its own devices and infrastructure. Okay, Then let's start to have an internet. Okay, I think here we'll take one cloud here. Okay, of course this is look like what a network was inside and get internet from the ISP. After that I have what? I have a router in the, I will take one router here in the ISP. Okay, router, no, this, the name here is better. Okay, okay. After that router we have switch. Okay, and I have a server as well. Go to server and select one here and another one here. One server is IoT services. Okay, another server will be DNS. Okay, where can give resolutions and names for the IPs and URL names. Okay, first, this is the first structure. I need to make connectivity now. Okay, before that, let's put here the other block, which is smart home. Make it here, okay, to be more obvious. And I put the remaining equipment for the WAN. We have, let's say, home gateway, which is a router. Okay, before home gateway we have what? We have a modem. Okay, we need to find the modem. I think maybe here, not here. Maybe other devices here. Modem. Okay, here no. So those IoT devices. Modem, I think here, so somewhere. Okay. Okay. We have cable modems. Okay. Now we need to make connectivity between them. Go to cabling. This is one connectivity, by the way. Go to cabling and I will take coaxial cable. Go here, coaxial, let's say 01 to this one. Okay. Then I have Ethernet cable from backbone to router. Then I have Ethernet cable from the router to switch. From the router to switch. Remove this one. Again, make it again to see. From the router, the switch, take it this port. From the switch, okay, we need to connect another Ethernet cable to the server, the end server, and another one to IoT server. First, I will do infrastructure connectivities. After that, we'll do the configuration. Okay? So, again, we connect here from the router to, but the router has no more cable. What we'll do, very good to have this issue until you can, we can populate with the new card, okay, module. This card, I will take it to Ethernet or to fast Ethernet with to WAN, okay. Before that, I need to switch off the router, then I populate this module here, so, and switch on the router. After that, we have more, okay, device booting, more devices. Okay, we'll wait until will be booting, because after you make it on and off and on again, it will be booting again and will read the new modules. I think now finish. Okay, now we have more Ethernet, fast Ethernet. Okay, so what we'll do again, we'll make a connectivity here with fast Ethernet 10 to Ethernet 6, and also we have other coaxial from this one to port 0. Okay, we have other connectivity from modem port 1 to the internet port in the router, home gateway. Okay, this is the infrastructure, okay, for WAN. So I'll make here another name called WAN connectivity. WAN connectivity. Okay, to be more obvious and to understand. Okay, the things. Now I need to populate the IoT. Go to IoT. We'll take, for example, web camera. We'll take window in our home. We'll take this is detection, a water drain detection maybe, or smoke detection. Okay, water drain detection, let's remove it. Okay, first of all I need to what to not have connectivity. I need to change a different SSID. Okay, for the router we'll go to configuration, go to settings, sorry, wireless. Okay, in wireless I will put SSID IoT only, or make it capital, or okay, or small, not a matter. Okay, IoT. Then I need to use security. Okay, yes, I put, for example, Cisco 1 2 3. Okay, after that I need to close. Then I need to come to here because I have devices up. Okay, that's why I need to change something. So let's start populate the devices again. We have web camera, window, what else? Maybe another. We have serene, this for water, steam water. We have lamp. Okay, we have what else? Maybe speaker, we control speaker. We have door. Okay, put it here. Okay, we have fan. I think enough. Okay, I'll make it this door, this fan, this serene, okay, and we have here window, we have here web camera, webcam, we have light here. Of course, when you are in real home, maybe you have many lights, so maybe light 1, or maybe you can make light 1 or light, let's say living room 1, another light living room 2, and so far, light kitchen 1, light kitchen 2. So for each devices, if you have more than one, you need to give a specific name based on the room number, room name, and the number of this device. So now, right now, I have only one light. Okay. What else? I have here speaker. We have window, speaker, door, fan. I think enough. So I need to change the SID. Okay. From configuration wireless, it was what? It was IoT. Okay. With what? Security key, Cisco 123. Cisco 123. Okay, let me copy for this one, and let's go one by one. Light, config, wireless. Okay, IoT, Cisco 123. Okay, fan, the same. Wireless, IoT, Cisco 123 with wireless connectivity and Cisco security for secure wireless connectivity. Similar here, configuration, wireless card, IoT, that's ID, the security key will be Cisco 123. We'll go to Serene. Okay, configuration, wireless, IoT, for the ID, IoT. Then we'll go to security key. Okay, Cisco 123. We have Windows, configuration, wireless, IoT for SID, for pass phrase, which is a password, Cisco 123 for secure wireless. Okay, then we have webcam, configuration, we have wireless, SID will be IoT, and we have secure wireless, password would be Cisco 123. I think maybe Serene not working. Let's check again. Will be wireless, IoT is okay, Cisco 123. I think, I don't know, IoT, Cisco 123. Then okay, should work after a while. If not working, I need to go to, okay, it's working now. Okay, now all the infrastructure is ready. Okay, now the remaining is configuration, how to configure the things. So let's start with ISP. ISP will do block by block to be more easy and easy to understand. Okay, one by one. So like this. Before that, I name the interfaces and give IP addresses for easy configuration. Start with this one, fast 01. Okay, come here. Fast 01. IP address will be, let's say, 10.10.10.1. okay, /24. Okay, also will be the same for the, okay, make it here, no problem. I will drag it and drop. I will make that IoT will be 10. Okay, or 11. Okay, make it 11 is here, no problem. Okay, make another one. Okay, make it this time for the NS 10. Okay, make it here, no problem. This one make it here. Here is better. Okay, make it here. Will be more. It's okay. Okay, I think now it's okay. It's okay, no problem. Okay, now make other interface. This fast. This will be 0 fast 011. Okay, fast 011, fast 0 0. Show me again. Okay, what's the IP address? I give IP address for this one to the CO. Let's give an IP address from, let's say, 200 1. Okay, we give another one for this one. Okay, before that, what's the interface name? Sorry, it will be fast Ethernet 1/0. We'll give a name fast 1/0, and IP address will be 202.202.202.1. Okay, make it /24. This one, okay, /24. Okay, this one also /24. Usually in ISP, when you give a branch to small home or small office, we'll give 255 as subnet mask, 255.255.255.224, for example. This will give around how many IP address? 256 and 254, 222, 30 IP address, because one for broadcasting and one for network. So will be 30 IP address. Okay, but I make it 0 to make more easy. That may have 254 IP address. Okay, just to make it more easy. So instead I make it /24. Okay, /24. I think they are clear right now, right? Okay, so we need to configure the router. So as you see here, the router links are down because it gives red flag. So how to do configuration of the router? Double click, then we go to configuration, then I come from here, check, I go to the command line, enter, then make enable, and now I need to show run to see the default configuration. There's nothing. Okay, it's empty. I have here those interfaces 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, I populate only 3 of them. Okay, I will convert them right now. So what's the scenario for here? Here also I will make the HCP. Okay, before to start, I come here, make the HCP. Okay, for 2 IP ranges, for 200. Okay, and other DHCP for 202. Okay, what else I need to know? Okay, because later on those DHCP will give IP addresses, for example, to the modem. Sorry, not the modem, I mean to the router. Okay, this router home gateway suppose has internet port. Internet is configured as the HTTP client. Okay, that means it will receive automatically the IP address is given from the ISP. From ISP, the ISP, and this is the router of the ISP router. Okay, should give IP address to the gateway and should be shown here. We'll do this together. Okay, so let's start the configuration of the router. First, double click again, go to command line, and we start write config T, I mean terminal. Now we are for the mode of router where we can start configuration from here. So interface fast Ethernet 0/0. We'll come back here, make it like this. Okay, then again, okay, just to see, okay, sorry, okay, (0/0) is IP address will be enter IP address 200. That's why I wrote here the IP address interface until you can see and configure on the router, so it will be easy for me. 0200.200.1. I make it 1 because I will make this router as a gateway to the smart home, LAN smart home, and also a gateway to the CO, which is central office, connect all the cell towers for the 4G, 5G wireless, where the phones will be connected to these towers. Okay, as realistic scenario. Again, we'll come again to configuration, and the subnet mask we say 255.255.255.0. Enter. So the first thing we need to do, no shutdown. Enter. After doing no shutdown, you notice something. Okay, you notice something. This link of the router start communicate with CO because it was down. Okay, I give IP address and make it no shutdown. It's connected now. So come back again to the next interface, which is 202. Connect to where? To the cloud 1. Make it 1. Okay. 1 for example. 1. Okay, I need to make it like this, will be obvious, more obvious. Okay, so now again it is fast 10. Okay, come back to configuration mode, go interface fast what Ethernet fast. That means I need to exit. Okay, again interface fast Ethernet. So let's check. Okay, physical configuration, I mean it is fast 10, fast Ethernet 10. Okay, come back to the command line, interface fast Ethernet 1/0. Okay, enter IP address. It will be 202.2 what 1. Okay, then subnet mask 255.255.0. dot 0. Enter. Now no shutdown. Okay. So you see is up again. Now we make another one, which is fast Ethernet 01, okay, which is the one. I don't know, fast should work. Okay, that means I need to come to the configuration mode, main one. Exit, I think. Okay. Interface fast. Let's wait. Okay. Fast Ethernet 0/1 IP address will be 10.10.10.1 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Okay, now most of the link are up. Okay, so let's start do configuration with IoT, which is the IP address. Okay, make it like this is better. The IP address and that one is 0. Okay, will be it's better to remove it. Okay, copy, make new one, put it here. Now it's okay, it's better now. Okay, start with IoT. Double click. First go to services. I need to check IoT and make on for services. Then I go to what? To desktop. Check the IP configuration. I put here the it is for IoT will be 11, right? IoT will be 11. Okay, good. Summit mask will be 255.255.255.0. Default gateway will be what? The router, which is 10.1. Okay, this is the router. Then DNS will be, I will give 10. Okay, because I will configure DNS now after I finish IoT. This one I configure it as 10. Okay, this configuration is ready now. I close it, or before to close it, I close it. Okay, go to ping, make ping, command line ping 10.10.10.1 ping to the router. Okay, it's pinging. That means it's working fine. So from the router also I can ping back to that one. I should come to the first mode of the router, but I have a trick. I can make do, then ping 10.10.10.11, enter. It's pinging now. Okay, it's pinging now. Very nice. It's working. Vice versa. So now I need to configure DNS. Same scenario. I go to services, DNS search this one, make it on. Okay, then later on we can do something here. I can make a name, for example DNS. I can make www.iot.com. okay, I can make a record here also as well. Make it invalid. Okay, no internet, no IP addresses. At any rate, let's do a bit here. Come to IP addresses, make it 10. Okay, mask 255.255.0. Then default gateway will be the router. Then the DNS will be the same IP 10. Okay, or maybe I can put it Google DNS 8.8.8.8. Up to you. So of course the another devices, the DNS will be this IP address. Okay, make it this one is better. Okay, and they will not be confused. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Now again, come back again. We services, go DNS, make www IoT, the website name. Okay, the IP address, it will be 10. 10. Okay, we'll add it here. Okay. Now, okay, we close. Before to close, we can go back to desktop and make connectivity. Sorry, make connectivity to router using ping. Okay, 10.10.10.1. Always I make router 1, so it's easy to remember. Okay, is pingable, and vice versa from the router. Since I'm pinging from one side, we'll ping from other side. Okay, no need to check the router. So now we already configure what the IP addresses are interfaces, but now we need to configure the SCP. Okay, load one, come to the router. We have to do SCP because first the SCP I need to give to the home gateway. Again, to show you, home gateway, it has internet. I make it client DHCP, so I should receive 200. I think 200. Yeah, 200 okay, sorry, 202, 202, 202, 202, 202. Okay, dot x, whatever the IP address. Okay, and I should receive the gateway, which is 202.202.1, which is the router. This one. Okay, with the router, this one. Just to understand, I show you the things to be easy to understand. Okay, this one, something changed, I think, right? What the fast 01, this one. Okay, okay, no problem. Something here extra, IB. It's okay, no problem. What this one? Okay, no problem. This I can remove it, by the way. It's okay. This is coming by default, I think. It's okay, no problem, no problem. It's by default, I think. No problem. Now let's start do the DHCP. How to do DHCP? Okay. Exit. Come to the main mode of configuration. Okay. So let's start IB DHCP. We'll make exclude for some IBs which already we use. Okay. Like what? We'll make it this like a router, like, let's make it, okay, for 200.02.200.02 and from 1 till what? Guess, I think up to how many devices I need to give static IP? 200.02, 200.02, 200.02, maybe up to 10 addresses, maybe, yeah, or maybe 5 addresses, up to 5 right now. Okay, this is the first thing I need to do. I need the same for IP addresses 200. Okay, 200. The other range of addresses 200 from 1 to what? 5 IP addresses should be static. That means I need to exclude. Enter. So I'm doing do the HCP together. First, excluding as in the main configuration mode. I can do it. So for IAB, DSCP pool, I should give name, different name, and each name it has own configuration. So I can start with IB DHCP pool, okay, and give the name. I give the name for this maybe WAN internet. I check here, for example. Okay, WAN. Okay, connected to the WAN. Okay, the cloud. So make it WAN. Okay, then I need to put what? Enter. I need to put the range of IP addresses. We'll make network, and the range will be 202, I think. Okay, yeah, 202. 202 dot. I will start, for example. No, I should give the range. Okay, 0. Okay, because it can give any IP address from 1 to 254 except what? Except the excluding 1. Okay, from 1 to 5. After this command, I need to make default router and incomplete. I need to make 255.255.255, which is the subnet mask. Okay, that class C. I will talk about this IP addresses and classes. Then I will do what? I will do default router, right? Default router, which is 202.202.202, and the router will be 1. Okay, this is my default router, which is this one. Okay, enter. Then I need to give DNS. Okay, remember my DNS that one, 10 10 10. Okay, because when the modem, the router client DSCP will receive all this information. Okay, we'll receive the IP address range, same range. Okay, then we'll receive the gateway, which is the router interface gateway, that one, and we receive the DNS, which is that one. Okay, for internet connectivity required to have DNS. So what I'll do, I will make DNS, and the IP address of DNS .10.10.10. Easy, huh? Right? Okay. Now we already do the same pool. Okay. What I'll do other one, I will make another pool. Okay, I can copy from here. IB. Sorry, huh? Oh, I should not make copy. Config T IB DHCP pool. Sorry, not pool. We'll make it as pool. Yeah. The name will be first will be for WAN. The other one will be for tower. Okay, or 4G, 5G. Okay, 4G, 5G. Enter. Then we'll do the same. We'll make networks. The range 200.200.200.0 to 55.255.255.0. Then I will do the default router, which is 200.200.200.1. Okay, then I do DNS server, which is 10.10.10.10. It's easy, right? That's why I make it simple to you, block by block, to configure. After that, I make interconnect between all the blocks. Okay, now let's do another block. Let's make exit. I need to do saving of my configuration until if power off, for example, the router or configuration will be removed because it is in the RAM. So I make it in the ROM, okay, which is WR. That means write my configuration. Okay. So what I'll do now, I need to configure the CO. Okay. CO, how to configure it? I go configuration, backbone. Okay. You see, it receives automatically the IP range, which is successfully working now, 200.6, because after 5, because I make excluding 1 to 5, and start from 6 will be to 5, 4 at the end. Okay. This is the DNS, everything. Prompt command. I make ping from here and it pings. So let's check the IP addresses. IP config. Okay, it took this IP address. Okay, take it from where? Not from take it from the CO, the tower, because this network is different from other networks. Okay, from here to here different. Okay, these have own networks. So undo. Sorry, make it like this. It's not required. Okay, now it's working. Now I need to check again. Go to IoT manager. Before IoT, because I not configure IT yet. Okay, I did not configure IT. First, I need to check URL. Okay, URL. Okay, I need to connect to IoT server. Will take, because JavaScript will take some times. First time. IoT manager is here. Okay, IoT monitoring. I will check. Okay, for that one. So I'm waiting for Java to work. Okay. What's up? Okay, now it's coming. Okay, so the IP address of the IoT 10.10.10.11. Okay, we'll go. Okay, good. I need to sign up. Sign up. Okay, we make admin. Admin the first time because okay. If you see my previous video, all the configuration I done, and in previous video I did different configuration as well. Okay, in the IoT conditions. So create this IP, username, password, admin. Very nice. Now C is empty. Is connected to the IoT server but empty. It's because most of those IoT devices are not shown in the IoT server because I need to do some configuration. Okay, before do configuration, which is, for example, I'll show you here to be clear image for you, not be confused. This configuration will be like this. Where is it? Okay, in the settings. Okay, we go to the IoT server. I put here the remote which is 10.10.10.11. Username I already created, admin. So this is what? This is a light. Okay, this is the light. Connect, will not connect. You guess why? Because we did not do this configuration yet. This part of configuration. Once we do it, it will be connected. Okay, check again. We'll go to the smart home. See, still nothing. I will close it. Also, I can connect from where? I show you other option from IoT monitor. Okay, IoT monitor. Also will take some time. So okay, I think it's coming now. IoT monitor. Okay, IoT server is should be 10.10.10.11 admin. Okay, same. So as I told you, we not found any IoT devices to control it remotely in the WAN area because there are other part of connectivity still now not configured. I will do it. Okay, this area action. So now this area block ISP internet configured and block 4G 5G was configured. Now we need to configure LAN smart home, which is I configured most of them, but I need to configure this part connectivity. Okay, now I need to go to the cloud, double click. Okay, in cloud configuration I have here cable. Okay, should be connect to Ethernet 6, but I can't do it here because first I go to Ethernet 6. Why? I'll show you. If you stand here, you find here, wait, stand here, coaxial 7 and this one Ethernet 6 should be connected together inside the cloud. That's why I need to connect. Now go to Ethernet 6 and make it a cable, then go to the cable and connect to coaxial 7 and 6. Okay, and already connected. Okay, I think I need to add. Now is added. Okay, this part is done. Now another part. I think, let me check. Configuration. Here nothing to do. I think it should be now. I think if we go to the router, gateway, home router or gateway, should receive the DHCP client from the router. Okay, let's check now. Again, go to settings. Okay, I mean internet. Sorry, internet. In the internet, we have the DHCP here. Make static again and make it DHCP again. If you receive IP successfully, okay, now successfully done. We receive the IP, we configure the ISP router, which is very fine, very good, and successfully working fine. So I have internet. Okay, that mean what that mean? That mean the internet connected to the router, and those already connected to the router of the home, I mean home gateway, going to the cloud, going to the ISP router, where I get internet from here through the DHCP, and I can connect to the any server, IoT server. Okay, so let's start and check one by one. Okay, go to the door. Okay, what I'll do, go to remove, put his IP address, which is 11 admin. So I will do 2 or 3 nodes, then I will stop the video to do the remaining. Okay, but I need to show you. Okay, make connect. If connected now, that means it's successfully done our. Okay, now it should be done. I connect other one as well. Come to the fan. Okay, go down to the remote server. I put the IBS, sorry, IoT server. which is 11, and admin, then connect should be connected successfully. So I will stop my video here, and I will do all the before that I need to show you the evidence. Okay, my evidence, go to the smart home. Okay, see, I already have those. Wait, make minimize, no problem, minimize more. Okay, smart home. So for the light, I can control the light from here. I make it, now this is the light. Okay, see the light now is not working, off. I make it on, now is already light on. Make it dim, a little bit light. Make it off, will be off. Go to the door. This is the door. Okay, I make it now is open. Make it lock, is coming lock, another color. Make it unlock, will be green color. So the other one will be fan. Fan, make it high, is very fast spinning. Okay, make it low, less spinning. So make it off. So it's working fine. Now I will stop the video to do all the smart IoT devices, same configuration, connect to the IoT server, and we'll come back to you. Okay. Now I already did all the configuration. Okay, I will show you into location in the smartphone, and I put one laptop here. This is the laptop. Okay, I need to connect the laptop. Double click. I need to remove, make it off first. Off. I remove the Ethernet NIC card. I put instead the wireless card. Okay, wireless card. Okay, then I make it on, where I need to configure the wireless. Wireless, I need to put its ID. What? Guess. IoT. Okay, IoT, and with security Cisco 1 2 3. Okay, what else? Wireless and settings to check the after make connectivity. Now we check the IP address. Okay, receive IP address, gateway router, and the IP address will be what? Taken same range 104. Okay, now can find, go to desktop. I come to IoT monitor, or maybe I go to run this one, HTTP. Okay, whatever, one of them I can go. So I'm waiting because it is JavaScript. Okay, it's not responding JavaScript, but do some latency. After that, I will check all those IoT are available for already can be managed. Okay, because I already make connected to the IoT server. And now the LAN and WAN are connected successfully and make interconnected between all of them. So today I show you how to do connection between LAN and WAN, and using towers, 4G, 5G towers, to connect to the smart homes, smartphones. Also smartphone, by the way, will be as IoT. Okay, still I'm waiting for Java to be open. Before that, you see here's the configuration. I already put it. Okay, so we'll come back again. I think now it should be working fine. Okay, yeah, it's okay. Now we'll put the IP address of the IoT device. or put it like this. Okay, now it's taking admin. Okay. Devices. Okay, or are here. See the webcam devices? Make it on. Now, wait a minute. Okay. Now you see. Make it off. Windows. This is the Windows. Okay. Make it open. On. Make it off. So I can control. So after that, I need to make conditions. Okay. Conditions, I show you in the previous video how to do conditions. But this video today, I show you how to make interconnect between LAN and WAN with different WAN technologies. Okay, cell phones and ISP routing and cabling, different cabling. Okay. So today is finish my session, take long time, 1 hour almost, and I show you something very nice. Now I already finished this lab to make interconnect between one LAN and another LAN and ISP with different technologies. I hope you enjoy for today's session, and please, if you require more advanced, let me know in the comments. By the way, I already configured for you IP address using what? IP version 4. I using IP version 4, okay, which is to the drawing brush, okay, using what? Using IP addresses version 4, okay, IP version 4. By the way, most of the IoT devices nowadays, they are mixed between IP version 4 and IP version 6. Okay, as you know, IP version 4, it has limited IP addresses. I show you very fast about this brief. About this classes. We have class A, which is started from IP address from 1 to 126. 10 is belong to this range. That means class A. The IP subnet mask will be 255.0.0.0. We have all of this one indicate for IP hosts. Clients will be 16 million. Okay, who using this kind of range? The large enterprise companies like Windows, like maybe Amazon, and they have million of employees, so they need to use this class. Okay, we have very limited organization using class A. Class, if you remember 127, it is loop back for 0.01 is loop back for our local host IP address in the computer is reserved. Okay, for example, if we go to computer, enter ping localhost will ping. Okay, or I make it 127.0.0.1 is my local IP address. Okay, this is reserved for localhost. The another things, we have class B, start 128 up to 129. Okay, this range belong to this range IP addresses, and the different subnet mask will be the last 2 octets, which is 8-bit. Total will be 2 power 16, around 65,000 IP addresses. Okay, in this class. Most of the large company using this class. So class C we start with 192 up to 223. Okay, most of the small companies using this kind of class because they have limited number of employees. This will be the last octet using 8 to power 8 will be around 256 minus 2. Why minus 2? Because one for networking and one for broadcasting. So total we have 254 IP addresses for class C. D for multi-class. We start to 4 to 5 is multi-class. We send the packet or the everywhere. Okay. We have a class E which is experimental using 220. It's not for us, for development and research some area. Okay. So this is a brief about IP version 4. Now my witness of talking that IoT devices nowadays around 30 billion. Okay. It's better to use what IP version 6. So if you are interested, I can make configuration for you using IP version 6. I need to hear in the comment. If I did not hear in the comment, I will not do this. Thanks. Thank you very much for watching me, and I hope you enjoy, and see you for the next session. Thank you.